Hello everyone, it's Momo here. Welcome back to my channel, long time no talk and no see. Today we're going to be making this two-piece lounge set. I wanted to keep this video short, so we're going to be making the top in this video and then we'll work on the bottoms next week. Make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss it. Let's get started. I wanted something soft and comfy, so I'm using stretch knit. Trace out a t-shirt. To create a boxy shape, extend the width. Add the slightest curve and blend the sleeve right into the shoulder. On the front, curve the hemline down towards the center. Snip vertically in half to create the tails for the knot. Add a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Cut the front and back and fold. Also cut out 1 inch strips to band the raw edges. The neckband should be 1 inch shorter than the total circumference of the neck. With right sides together, sew the shoulder and side. Sew the ends of the band together and fold in half. Attach the band to the raw edges. The arm is a simple straight run, but remember that the neckband is shorter than the actual neckline, so stretch it slightly while sewing. Fold the seam towards the shirt and top stitch in place. My camera battery died here, so I didn't capture the footage, but it should look something like this. To finish the hemline, I'm using a 1/4 inch double folded bias tape. The top fold is a tad bit shorter than the bottom. We're going to sandwich the raw edge inside the bias tape. With right sides together, line the shorter fold against the edge of the shirt. Open up the tape and sew along the first folded line. Try not to stretch the shirt. At the bottom of the tail, stop a 1/4 inch above the tip. I like to imagine another triangle here. Pivot at the corner. Bring the bias tape down and smooth out everything under and around it. Continue to sew along the folded line. At the inner corner between the two tails, pull the corner into a straight line. Try to catch the corner with the bias tape as you sew. At the end of the run, fold the beginning part of the bias tape in. Try to line up the fold with the side seam. Remove any stitches if needed. Sew the end of the bias tape right over this fold. Remove any extra fabric to reduce bulging inside the bias tape. This is especially crucial along the end of the tails. Fold the bias tape up and then once and twice on itself onto the wrong side of the shirt, sew inside the first folded line. Make sure to smooth out the fabric and catch both sides of the bias tape with the thread. At the corner, fold the bias tape in on itself. If it's easier, you can also hand sew this part in place. Pivot again and straighten out the inner corner like before. The raw edge should now be encased in the bias tape. With right sides together, fold the front in half. Following the line of the shirt, sew a straight line right down the bias tape. This will create a smooth V shape between the tails. Want these matching shorts? Make sure to check back next week. Or if you're watching this in the future, click on this video to watch. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the blog for more details and behind the scenes on this project. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!